how to allow tags from everyone on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow tags from everyone on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now click here on your profile and then click the story lines in the top corner and then click settings and here you will find privacy and then click this one tags. And as you see here, you will find this one, allow tags from, and just select everyone. And that's it. Now just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.